about free tractor आमच्या सरकारान दिवचो म्हणून. When I as a farmer went to apply for the free tractor for my field, म्हाका कळोन येयलें की तो 600 per hour लागता म्हणून. Before I proceed ahead, there are around 350 active farmers in Calangute at the moment. आता हांव कितें म्हणटा 600 for a farmer is very sad and pathetic state for a panchayat like Calangute. कित्याक आमी जाणा Calangute is one of the richest panchayat in Calangute, and still a fee of 600 is levied for farmers of Calangute. म्हाका दिसता our sarpanch is on the verge of demolishing and finishing all the farming activities in Calangute, and his main aim is to have sky-rise buildings in Calangute. Because the way he is proceeding, I don't think he is in any way favoring and encouraging farming, especially for a youth like me. म्हाका दिसता तेणेन एनकरेज करूंक जाय की हांव बाबा यूथ शेतान देवंक जाय म्हणून. कित्याक हांव शेतान देवन आनी कोण आमची लेगसी फुडें व्हरतलो. जेन्ना हांवें म्हाजो प्रपोजल मारलो तो म्हणलो बरें आपूण आपले बॉडीक आपले मंथली मिटींग विचारता आनी आय वील ट्राय एंड कन्सिडर एंड मेक इट 600 पर आवर. आनी म्हणलें सरपंच तूं कितें फकाणां उलयता. 600 समज एका फार्मरान 2 वरां घेतल्या 600 पर फार्मर. आमचे फार्मर कितले आहा 350. 650 is somewhere around 2 lakhs of rupees. We asked the sarpanch, is 2 lakhs of rupees so much for Calangute Panchayat that they cannot afford 2 lakhs? I don't see any encouragement. तो कितें म्हणटा आपणे भातां दिली फ्री, पूण भातां फ्री दिवन जालें काय. I told him there has to be a follow-up activities for the farmers of Calangute. भातां फ्री फुकट दिली बियां दिली म्हणून जालें ना. I think it has to be a continuous process. Tractor free job I think is viable and most important aspect for the farming activity. It will encourage many farmers, including youth like me, to go and do continue farming activities. Thank you.